Okay, this activity is called Subway Sardines. So there's an even number of you in the circle, so make sure that you know the person's name directly across the circle from you. So each person has a partner. Okay, good. So let's see. So we'll start with your pair. So each of you cross the circle and say hello to each other using their name. Yeah, totally cross and switch places.
Sam. Hey, nice to meet you.
Okay, next pair.
Alex.
Okay, good. Next pair. Okay, good. Now, we're going to try it again. And this time, okay, go ahead, but we're going to have two pairs go. Okay, go ahead, same time.
Let's go with Sam.
Okay, then next two pairs go.
Michael, Alex. Oh, I didn't know we were supposed to do it.
Oh, okay, that's all right. All right, now you two pairs go. Your pairs go.
Oh, wait, no, I'm Sam.
Howard.
How's it going? Michael. How's it going?
Sam. Howard.
Michael.
Say
Just the name of your partner.
Oh, so I'm supposed
Okay.
to say Sam.
So now we're going to do it with everybody going. Okay, go ahead.
Alex. Sam.
Hey, how's it going, Howard? Michael.
Alex.
Sam. Zach. Alex's.
Okay,
That's a bunch of
well done.
sardines.